how to download and use the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can download and then use the ChatGPT application on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to download as well as use the ChatGPT app on your iPhone, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up your app store. In the search box, you just want to type in ChatGPT. Then you'll find the official application by OpenAI, which is the ChatGPT app. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and click the get button here. It will ask you to verify to install it, so let me also go ahead and verify the installation process here. Once I've verified the installation process, it might take a while. Now, just for a disclaimer, I'd also like to tell you that you can also use ChatGPT from your browser by going to chat.openai.com. But for iPhone users, you have the application, so now you can open the ChatGPT app here. Now you can choose to create an account with your Google account, your sign up with email or whatever else that you have. You can just select continue option here. Just select your Google account or whatever else that you'd like to use for this, and then you can go ahead and then log in. Or you can also just select your Apple ID in this case over here and then just authorize every process that you can find here. Hit the continue button and then you can go ahead and verify the process. Now once you have signed up for ChatGPT, you can simply start talking to ChatGPT in this case, because you'll be able to see different types of terms and conditions over here. You might want to agree to all of those terms and conditions and then just select your birthday over here. Once you select your birthday, so let me also go ahead and select my date of birth here. Tap the done button, tap and continue. I'll be able to successfully go ahead and then talk to ChatGPT. This way I can download and use the ChatGPT app on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.